going to demonstrate how to do the clothes washing experiment lesson. I'm teacher 1, this is teacher 2. All right, let's get our material.
Hi guys.
Hi, Miss Tina.
I'm going to come and observe how you do your lesson today.
All right, Tina. So boys and girls, today we're going to have a guest. Our education manager is going to be in to observe our STEAM lessons. Let's welcome her, guys. Everybody say hello. Hello, Miss Tina. All right, so the first thing we need to do, guys, is we need to think of how do we take care of our clothes? How do we take care of our clothes? We do wash them. You're right, Teresa. We wash our clothes. What else do we do to take care of our clothes?
Separate them.
We do. We separate our clothes. So guess what, guys? Just like in our story, a hat for Minerva Louise, or the mitten that we read. Remember the kids went outside and they were with that slushy soap and they got their clothes really, really dirty, really filthy. Well, guess what? Today we're going to get to wash those clothes. So you know what we're going to need to wash? Let's gather up all our ingredients. So our first ingredients is going to be some ivory soap. Okay. All right, so with the ivory soap, I think we're going to need about 2/3 cups of ivory soap. Let's see. Let's look at our measuring cup. And this is 2/3. So we're going to measure out 2/3 cups of ivory soap. And you know what, guys? When we're measuring out our soap, we want to make sure we get it just right. So that's about 2/3 cup. And then we're going to dump it in our bin. Then we're going to dump it in another bin too. Let's get us 2/3 cup. Yes, we got 2/3 cup of ivory soap, and we're dumping it in. And you know what, guys? Now I'm thinking, what else do we need if we want to wash clothes? We would need something. Water. You're right, but I wonder, do we need cold water or warm water? How many people think we need cold water? Raise your hand. Oh, we got a lot of people that think we need cold water. So if guys, this is when we would chart it out. We'll write down 1, 2 people want cold water. How many people think we need warm water? Oh, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 people think that we need warm water. So we're going to investigate and see which one is the best. So first we're going to pour in our warm water. All right, Miss Tammy is pouring it in. What do you guys think is going to happen with the soap when we pour in the warm water? It's going to dissolve. It's going to be gone. Yes, so now Miss Tammy is going to pour in cold water. What do you guys think is going to happen when the cold water hits the soap?
It's going to stay the same.
You think it's going to stay the same? I don't know. Let's see. Let's look and see what happens. All right, now Miss Tammy is bringing over the cold water and she's pouring in cold water. So now we need to add another ingredient, guys. So far we've added 2 ingredients, water and soap. So what's our next ingredient we're gonna add in? Baking soda. Miss Tammy said it's time for baking soda. So with the baking soda, we're gonna add 1/4 cup. So I'm gonna go in and I'm going to measure out 1/4 cup. All right, and you want to come in and assist me, little Jerry? Okay, you can assist me. Let's dump it over in. There you go. Now Miss Tammy's going to measure out 1/4 cup for her cold water bin. Hire an assistant.
Come on over, Miss Teresa, and assist me. Come help me out.
Oh, look at Teresa.
You can probably do it by yourself, independently.
Thank you.
Look, guys, Miss Teresa did it independently. She did it all by herself.
Yay. Now we're going to pour in us some borax powder. And this right here, it says a detergent booster. So this is a booster. That means it's going to boost our clothes clean. So we're going to put in another 1/4 cup of that. We're going to boost our clothes clean. Who wants to pour in the detergent booster? Oh, come on over, Miss Tasha. Tasha's going to pour in the detergent booster. I'm handing her the measuring cup, and now she's pouring it inside. That's that detergent booster. All right, now Miss Tammy needs a detergent booster in hers.
Come on, Miss Doris. Come on.
Pour in the, remember guys, it's our detergent booster. You guys say booster. Booster. So now, guys, that we've we've made our washing solution. We've put in all our ingredients. We need something to wash, right?
Something dirty.
Now, what do we have that's dirty? If you guys look in front of you, we have a cloth. And we want you, remember when we did our quilts and we wrote our names and we put marker on it and then we sprayed? Do anybody remember what happened when we sprayed our quilt patterns with water?
They changed colors.
They did change color. Well, you know what? We're going to do something similar, something alike with our cloth. We're going to put our names on it so this can get dirty, and then we're going to see what happens when we put it in warm soapy water and cold soapy water. So let's put our names on
And it's
them.
okay if you can't write your name. Just write what you think your name is.
So you can write your name however you want to. All right, look. I have Tasha's name. And Miss Tammy wrote her name. All right, and I have Tasha's name. So now let's put it in our water solution and see what happens. Remember, everybody's gonna get a chance. Oh, what's happening in the water? The water is changing color.
What's happening to the color on the fabric?
It's not coming out, Miss Tammy. What are
We
you
have
gonna
to.
do?
Oh, I'm gonna have to rotate it some more.
So
That's the
Tammy,
washing machine.
I'm gonna rotate mine in this warm water. What do you guys see is happening to our cloth in the warm water?
Yours
Look
is
at
not
the
warm.
clean.
It's clean.
So I wonder, do the warm water helps the cloth get clean? Let's keep on rotating. Let's keep washing, just like the washing machine. All of us are in washing. All right, you guys want to take another look?
Wash our clothes.
Wash our clothes, wash our clothes. This is the way we wash our clothes all day long. All right, now it's time to see what happened. Let's compare them. Let's look at them and see what happened.
Hers is faded.
What happened to the one that was in the warm water?
All clean.
All
And what
It
happened?
dissolved. It went away.
And what happened to the one that was in the cold water?
It's faded.
It got some of it out,
Yeah,
but we
yeah,
still
I
can
see
see it,
it.
huh?
Uh-huh.
So do you guys think the warm water cleans better or the cold water?
The warm water.
All
Yeah,
right.
I got it
So
right.
now that we've done it, we've washed our clothes, and we've seen the one that cleans the best. What do you guys think we could do to help the one that's in the cold water get clean?
Put it over in the warm water.
Put it over in the warm water, or do you guys? We could put it over in the warm
Could
water.
you
Do
add
anybody
more
got
water?
any other suggestions?
Add
Could you
more
add
solution.
more water?
Add more.
Add more soap. We could. What do you think will happen if we leave it soaking overnight?
I'll be
Ah.
Oh, it ain't come out.
Oh, Miss
Scrub
Terry
it.
said, let's try to scrub it.
And
So you
then
know
put
what?
it back down in there.
And then put it back down. Guess what? When we go back to the classroom, we're gonna put the one in the cold water in our science area, and we're gonna take our time to see what can we do to make sure this dissolves, to make sure the writing dissolves off of this one, okay? And we'll be taking it back to the class. Are you guys ready?
Yes!
All right. Cut.